Hi guys, do you want to know how I made this one? Please check it out and stick around and I will show you how. Hello and welcome to FemMNY. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated every time we have new uploads. To all the subscribers that's always there, thank you so much for your support and thank you for coming back. We have a new video today and this is going to be a flower using our foil balloon. So with that said, these are the materials that you see on the table. We have 5 inches and foil balloon. So all the sizes, color of the materials we use today, we will put it in the description down below. So we'll talk about the foil balloon first. So you will get this, we got this online. I forgot exactly what's the size, but please check the description down below. So it comes in individual foil like this, and then you inflate using your palm, okay? And it will turn out like this, okay? So now what we're gonna do, you need 8 petals. So 8 of this, you will pair this and tie this together. So pay attention when I tie this. I tied it close to the end, okay? You don't want to tie it too close to the balloon itself. So like that, there's gap, okay? So about, the gap is like over a fist. You will put this together and then just like that. Attach this here as well. Twist. And this one as well. So just keep twisting them. Shapes like this. So just like that for now, it'll be loose for now, but once you put it down, it'll shape like that. So now we're ready to inflate our balloon. This is 5 inches balloon. We'll inflate this to 3.5 inches or 8.89 centimeter. The third one. So now we have this. Looks like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Put this here for now, and then the center one will be 5 inches as well. This is going to be inflated to 2.5 inches or 6.35 centimeter. You need 2 of this. Like that. You'll push this. And then you need your 260Q balloon. So all you need to do is hold the tip and then tie this here. back. So it look like that. So now you put this right on the center. It's supposed to look like that, right? Alright, so back to our foil balloon. So as I said, you will twist them so it'll get a little tighter. And now you will put this right on top. Grab your 260 cube. So for now it's not flat, so we'll work on the other side as well. Put this here. We'll do the opposite side. Then we'll go back to the opposite side. Then now see how it's twisted. So you just have to turn this way. Turn the pedals sideways. So we have our balloon glue dots. Put one on this side. Just like that. So we line them up with balloon glue dots right on there, and this is how it turns out, guys. Ain't that beautiful? You can also add this with your balloon garland, and you can add here and there. So with your balloon garland it will be beautiful. Look at that, guys. Three-dimensional. Alright guys, I hope you like this and learned something from this video. If you like this, you have any suggestion, comments, please leave it in the comment section down below, and please stick around for our comments of the day. And there you go, guys, this is finally done. Hope you learned something from this channel today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.